Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook fufu and soup. First, gather all your ingredients for both the fufu and your chosen soup. For fufu, you'll typically need a starchy root vegetable like cassava or plantains or a fufu mix. For the soup, common ingredients include various meats or fish, vegetables, and aromatic spices. Ensure your kitchen is clean and all your tools are ready before you begin the cooking process. This preparation will make the entire experience much smoother and more enjoyable. To make fufu, start by peeling and cutting about 2 pounds of cassava or plantains into small, manageable chunks. Boil these pieces in water for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until they are incredibly soft. Drain the water, then mash or blend the cooked pieces until you achieve a smooth, lump-free paste. Finally, knead the fufu dough for several minutes to develop its elasticity and ensure a perfect, pliable consistency. This step is crucial for the right fufu texture. Now let's prepare the soup. Begin by sautéing 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in about 2 tablespoons of oil until fragrant. Add your protein, perhaps 1 pound of chicken or fish, and brown it lightly. Next, introduce your preferred vegetables like spinach or okra and a blend of spices. Pour in 4 to 6 cups of water or broth, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 30 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed for a truly delicious result. Once both the fufu and soup are ready, it's time to serve. Take a portion of the warm fufu and using your hands or a spoon, form it into smooth, round balls, each about the size of a tennis ball. Carefully ladle a generous amount of the hot, aromatic soup into a separate bowl. Place the fufu balls alongside the soup. This traditional pairing allows you to dip the fufu into the rich soup, savoring every bite. Enjoy your freshly prepared, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.